On April 27th of 2026, a former Texas attorney was sentenced for crimes involving a minor. Adam Dean Hoffman was facing a first-degree felony, but what happened in that courtroom has the community demanding answers. This case was high stakes from the beginning. The entire McLennan County, Texas District Attorney's Office recused itself, citing Hoffman's deep professional ties to the local legal community is a conflict of interest. That decision handed the prosecution to the Texas Attorney General's Office. Hoffman was first arrested in November of 2019. The documented charges: continuous sexual assault of a child or children, a first-degree felony in the state of Texas. He was released on a $100,000 bond with strict orders not to be in contact with anyone under the age of 17. In June of 2022, he allegedly ignored those orders. He was documented at a residence with a minor, leading to his second arrest on June 13th for violation of a court order or bond condition. This added another $150,000 to his bond, totaling $250,000. Despite the felony and the bond violations, the Texas Attorney General's Office reduced his charges to a misdemeanor and a 30-day jail recommendation. Judge Roy Sparkman doubled that to a 60-day jail term, reportedly stating that the courts could not ignore the gravity of these actions. Hoffman also has avoided the sex offender registry and has to surrender his law license for 5 years. The court also heard a documented impact statement from the victim's mother, telling the court that the sentence wasn't enough and that Hoffman was dangerous. She shared that her son only accepted the plea to avoid having to testify again. In a stunning documented act, the family presented Hoffman with a Bible. In the cover, the victim had handwritten a note telling Hoffman, "I forgive you." State Representative Pat Curry called this a travesty and is allegedly drafting new laws to close these loopholes. But the question is this really justice, or is this the system protecting their own?